What if you got lost on a trail, your phone died, and all you had was what was clipped to your pack? Today, we're reviewing 16 of the best camping safety gadgets on Amazon, from a radar alarm that detects bears before you even see them, to a 7-in-1 whistle that fits in your pocket. Some of these are incredible, a few are just okay, and at least one is unlike anything I've ever seen for camping. Let's get into it. Number 1. Atomic Bear Paracord Bracelet. The Atomic Bear Paracord Bracelet is one of the most popular survival wristbands on Amazon, and for good reason. You get 2 bracelets in one pack, each packed with 5 essential tools: a fire starter, compass, emergency whistle, knife, and 12 feet of military-grade 550 paracord. It adjusts from 8 to 10.5 inches, so it fits almost any wrist. The big standout here is the lifetime warranty, which is rare at this price. Real-world feedback is mostly positive, though some users noted the compass can be a little off. For everyday hikers and casual campers, it's a wearable survival kit that genuinely earns its spot on your wrist. Great value for beginners. Number 2. FUNBRO Pink Multitool Carabiner. The FUNBRO Pink Multitool Carabiner packs 6 tools into a stainless steel clip that weighs just 3.8 ounces, knife, bottle opener, glass breaker, 2 screwdrivers, and a carabiner, all in one. It's compact enough to clip to a keychain or backpack strap, and the locking liner on the knife keeps things safe during use. What makes this one special is who it's designed for. It's a women's-focused EDC tool in a distinctive pink finish, and it's sub $10. It ranked number 1 among Amazon's best-selling multi-tool carabiners and has thousands of 5-star reviews. It's not a climbing-rated carabiner, but as a budget daily carry survival tool, it's hard to beat. Next up is the LuxoGear Emergency Whistle. And this one is a crowd favorite for a reason. It blasts at 120 decibels, that's loud enough to be heard over a mile away, and the dual-chamber P-less design means no moving parts that can jam, freeze, or get clogged with water. You get 2 in a pack, each with an adjustable reflective lanyard and clip. It floats, it works when wet, and it's visible in the dark thanks to the bright color and reflective cord. With over 12,000 verified Amazon reviews and a near-perfect rating, this is one of the most trusted signaling tools in the game, a must-have for kayakers, hikers, and anyone with kids outdoors. Number 4. HIHEGD Survival Kit. The HIHEGD Survival Kit is a beast of a package. 250 pieces designed by 3 survival experts and packed into a mold-compatible 1000D military-grade nylon bag. Inside, you'll find an axe, folding shovel, knife, emergency tent, blanket, compass, fire starter, lantern, raincoat, and a tactical flashlight, plus a separate bright red first aid pouch with a tourniquet and bandages. The mole bag design is the real winner here. It clips to any compatible backpack or vest for hands-free carrying. With over 2,400 5-star ratings, this kit is built for people who want serious preparedness coverage in one organized package. A great pick for family camping or bug-out bag builds. Here's one that's been around for years and keeps showing up in survival kits everywhere. The SE 5-in-1 Orange Survival Whistle. In that small orange body, you get a 112 decibel whistle, a liquid-filled compass with a luminous dial, a signaling mirror, a water-resistant storage container, and a flint fire starter, all in a 4.5-inch package with a lanyard. This is the ultimate budget survival add-on. It's a few bucks, weighs almost nothing, and covers 5 real emergencies. If you're building a first kit, a bug-out bag, or just want a backup whistle attached to your life vest, the SE 5-in-1 is a classic choice. Solid budget pick for any outdoor kit. Number 6. RIKOJUXI Survival Kit. The RIKOJUXI Survival Kit steps things up with 262 pieces and a crossbody tactical bag with mole straps and D-rings for full customization. You get an axe, shovel with a pick, fire starter, emergency tent, fishing kit, collapsible water container, glow sticks, and more. The first aid pouch is bright red with a tourniquet, triangular bandage, and a unique emergency medical card that stores your info for first responders. What makes this stand out from other kits is that it was designed with input from real first responders, doctors, and mountain guides to cover the critical first 72 hours of an emergency. The medical ID card is a genuinely clever safety feature that most kits miss. Top pick for family preparedness. Number 7. Alritz Emergency Survival Kit. The Alritz Emergency Survival Kit goes for compact and comprehensive, 12 tools under 1 pound in a hard-shell airtight case. You get a fire starter, good for 5,000 to 12,000 strikes, a 3-mode tactical flashlight, a 360-degree waterproof compass, an 11-function credit card tool, a tungsten glass breaker pen, an emergency blanket, wire saw, whistle, and a paracord bracelet. The glass breaker pen is a standout. It's made from tungsten steel, so it's strong enough to actually shatter a car window in an emergency. Number 8. Laffizz Waterproof Lighter. Fire starting gets a serious upgrade with the Laffizz Waterproof Lighter 2-pack. You get 2 lighters, 1 flameless dual-arc USB plasma lighter, and 1 refillable butane torch, both built with an IP56 waterproof metal ring sealed design. The arc lighter gets up to 300 uses per charge, and the butane torch cranks out a 2800-degree Fahrenheit flame. Having both types in one pack is smart. The arc lighter handles everyday lighting, while the torch takes on thicker tinder and wet branches. Both come with lanyards for clip-on carrying. With a 1-year warranty and a 1.5-hour charge time, this is a practical and affordable fire kit. Great option for campers who want a backup to their ferro rod. Number 9. Bayite 4-inch Fire Starter. If you're a purist and want the most reliable fire-starting tool on this list, meet the Bayite 4-inch Ferro Rod. This ferroselenium rod throws sparks at 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to ignite tinder in wet, cold, or high-altitude conditions where lighters fail. The rod is 3/8 inch thick and 4 inches long, with a 5-foot paracord handle for a sure grip. The included Striker Pro is the secret weapon. Made from tool-grade HSS steel with 6 striking edges, it generates a shower of sparks every single time, unlike the flimsy strikers that come with cheap kits. Number 10. Lancryen Emergency Fire Blanket. This one is a real safety essential that most campers overlook, the Lancryen Emergency Fire Blanket. It's a 40 by 40 inch fiberglass blanket that can withstand up to 1,076 degrees Fahrenheit, and it covers Class A, B, and C fires, wood, oil, electrical, you name it. To use it, just pull the straps and throw it over the fire to cut off oxygen instantly. What makes it stand out is the certification. It carries a UL 1A, 10B, C rating and SGS approval, which most Amazon fire blankets don't have. It leaves 0 chemical residue and never expires. At under $15, this belongs in every camping kit, kitchen, and vehicle. One of the smartest and most underrated safety purchases on this list. Number 11. Chinshwehaw 7-in-1 Survival Whistle Kit. This little tool quietly surprised me. The Chinshwehaw 7-in-1 Survival Whistle Kit packs the most features of any whistle on this list. You get a 120 decibel whistle, compass, thermometer, LED signal light, 5x magnifying glass, signal mirror, and a waterproof storage compartment, all in one compact body with a lanyard. That waterproof compartment is the sleeper feature. It's sized to store an emergency ID card or personal info that rescuers can access if you're incapacitated. Knowing your temperature through a built-in thermometer is also genuinely useful for monitoring hypothermia risk. Number 12. XTAUTO Portable LED Camping Lantern. The XTAUTO LED Camping Lantern 4-pack is an exceptional value. Each lantern runs on a 1600 mAh built-in battery and delivers 300 lumens, bright enough to light up a full tent. It collapses to the size of a smartphone and has a fold-out hook for hanging. You can charge it via USB or solar, and it runs for 25+ hours on a full charge. Here's the bonus feature that most people don't notice. It doubles as a USB power bank for Android phones in emergencies. You get 4 of these in one box, meaning you can put one in your car, one in your kit, one at the campsite, and keep a spare. Number 13. Coghlan's Magnetic Bear Bell. Let's talk about a simple but genuinely important tool, the Coghlan's Magnetic Bear Bell. It attaches to your clothing, boots, or backpack with a Velcro strap, and it rings with every step to alert bears and other wildlife that you're nearby. The magnetic silencer in the carry bag holds the clapper still when you don't need it, so it's silent when you want, loud when you move. Coghlan's has been making outdoor gear since 1959, and this bell is carried at Ray, Bass Pro Shops, and Cabela's for a reason. Simple and smart, a great addition to any hiking setup. Number 14. GlowMind Emergency Glow Sticks. The GlowMind Emergency Glow Sticks come in a 12-pack and outperform the competition in 2 key ways. They last 12+ hours when most glow sticks max out at 8, and they have a 4-year shelf life thanks to individual foil wrapping. Each 6-inch stick provides 360-degree illumination and can be spotted from over a mile away. They're industrial or military grade, waterproof, non-toxic, and non-flammable, safe for kids and pets too. Campers who've used these in actual Florida hurricanes report they still light up a room at 2 days in. Toss a pack in your car, your kit, and your emergency drawer. At this price per stick, there's no reason not to. Number 15. LETWESAF Portable Radar Perimeter Security Alarm. This is the most technologically advanced product on this list by a wide margin. The LETWESAF Radar Perimeter Security Alarm. Instead of using outdated infrared sensors that fail in fog, rain, or total darkness, it uses 24 GHz millimeter wave radar technology, the same type used in automotive safety systems. It detects movement up to 800 meters away, tracks objects up to 75 miles per hour, and can even sense motion through tents and bushes. The alarm runs 36 hours per charge, is rated IP66 waterproof, and requires no Wi-Fi, no app, and no network. It was literally inspired by a bear attack on campers in 2019. You can expand up to 6 detectors for full 360-degree perimeter coverage. This is next-level campsite safety, ideal for solo campers, backcountry trips, or anyone in wildlife country. Closing out our list is the Vriexsd Mini First Aid Kit. 150 pieces in a hard-shell waterproof EVA case that weighs just 0.73 pounds and measures 6.4 by 4.9 by 2.7 inches. It includes bandages of all sizes, a tourniquet, gloves, povidone iodine pads, and, importantly, full-size metal tweezers and scissors rather than tiny toy versions that don't actually work in emergencies. A carabiner clip is included so you can attach it to any pack. The inner compartments are clearly organized for fast access under pressure. At under 1 pound, this belongs in every camping pack, car, and hiking day pack. A solid, no-nonsense first aid option. So there you have it, 16 camping safety gadgets that could genuinely make a difference when things go sideways outdoors. If I had to pick 2 must-haves, it'd be the LuxoGear whistle for its proven track record and the LETWESAF radar alarm for next-level campsite security. All affiliate links are in the description below, no extra cost to you. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next gear breakdown. Drop a comment. Which product would you grab first?